Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an event in Google Calendar. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Google Calendar application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you download and install Google Calendar? Launch any of the stores that you have, that's either Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and keep the search bar. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and follow the on-screen instructions to install and download. Now, after downloading the calendar, it's going to take you right into the home page. This is home page, right? All right, so you're not going to go through the hassle of signing up because Google Calendar is integrated into your Google account. So if you have your Google account already activated and set up in your phone, logging in is really hassle free. So once you sign in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Google Calendar. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create an event in Google Calendar. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen, bottom right corner where you have the plus icon. Click on the plus icon. Now it says tags and event. Now click on event. Now that's going to take you right into the events window. The first thing you see is add title. So my title is going to be 100 Days of Glory because there's an event that I really cannot miss. Okay, so this is the time you can set this to recurring all day, or you have the Wednesday, that is the date, and this is the time, so you can just click on that and fix the day is going to start. It's going to start 1st August. So I'm just going to click on OK. So this 1st August, you can click on the time and set it to whatever time that you want. So the time for me is going to be 5 a.m. or let's say 4:50 because I need to wake up at 4:50. All right, and that's West African Standard Time. So you can add all of this. You can add it for color, add description, add attachment if you want to, and click on OK. So once you click on OK, that's it. Saved 100 Days of Glory on Thursday, 1st August. So that's it. That's pretty much how you can create an event in Google Calendar. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.